But it's still very warm though. Oh, this is what I'm talking. Do you guys see the flakes? Flaky, flaky. This is it. Yes, it's the flake we are talking about. Layers of flakes. Hello, friends. Here we have whipped cream that we warmed up with a little regular milk on it. And we put it in a mixing pan. We added yeast, and then we mixed it together, mixing. And then we have to feed the yeast, of course, with a little bit of sugar. We cover it, and let it prove a little bit. Yeah. Right now, I'm adding egg, flour. We are using bread flour today because regular flour might not give you the texture we want. We're using bread flour, what they call strong flour. In addition, I made a little, I would say, flour fufu before then. Just warm water with some flour, and then I'm adding it into the mist. Added a little bit of honey and sugar and salt. Yeah, and then we let it keep on mixing, and when it has mixed together to our satisfaction, we add in now butter, 2 tablespoonful of butter actually, and then we keep on mixing it until the dough comes together as one and shiny and subtle and yummy. Now we're pouring it into a baking pan. Baking pan, no, not really the baking pan. We're pouring it now into our mixing bowl, and we're punching it and molding it into a round ball. Yeah, it's happening, guys. It's really amazing. We now are going to mix it on the table so that you guys can see what I'm doing. I'm trying right now to work the gluten. I'm trying to work it and get it together and get it ready to mold. So I'm moving it, like take it up and smash it down, take it up and smash it down, take it up, and oh my god, this is a workout. This is our workout. I deserve to eat this bread when it's cooked for real. So now I'm rolling them into I cut them into 4 balls and mold them into round balls, and then that's when about to start shaping them. Yeah, so just molding them just like the way you mold fufu. Just mold them into the center and round them up like a round ball. I was able to get about four of those shapes, and then I used a rolling pin and flatten one of the balls one at a time, and then I tuck them in as if you're tucking in a little blanket or something to one side and the other one to the middle side. Yeah, and trying now to roll it out again, roll it out, flatten it up. Whew, my dear, it wasn't easy. It's a lot of work though. It's a lot of work. So now I'm folding it like the way you fold a cigar, just rolling it up, so that now trying to figure out that it fits the measurement of the baking pan we're going to use today. So folding it up, and I'm going to put it into the pan. Yeah, into the pan. I see that it might fit. So, and the pan it goes. Yes, ma'am. Yeah, I've already put a parchment paper in the baking pan I'm going to use today. So I mean, you don't have to use a parchment paper, but it's just I'm doing this type of bread for the very first time, so I just want to be safe, so it doesn't, like, I don't want to have problem bringing out the bread. So I'm doing it again. I'm repeating the same process. So I fold it side by side into the middle, and then I'm going to flatten it up with a rolling pin. Flatten it up before I mold it again to that cigar shape. So I figured out that about 3 of these cigar shape fat roll balls we fit inside the pan. So I made 3 of them. Yeah, I made 2 now. I made the 3rd one. So you have 3 of those babies right now. What I will do now is to let it relax and let it prove again for about, I would say, for about another 45 minutes. I'm going to let it be in a warm place. I actually chose this time to put it in the oven because the oven was a little bit warm. We just baked cookie few minutes ago, so the oven was still a bit warm, not hot, but warm. So I covered it to bake. See, cover it. I'm gonna put it in the oven to bake. Put it here. And see you guys when it's baked. Try this out, guys. So braid. Woo, look at it. Woo, there she goes. Her bread. Look, guys, look. It's still very soft though. See the way we have achieved it. It's still very hot from the oven. So, okay guys, this is the final. It has proven for the final time. So as you can see, how you know, see, it doesn't close up, so you know that it has proven. And then now see how stretchy it is. See, okay, so now I'm gonna now make it into the shape I want it to be. Ooh, this was a labor of love, I would say. It was so much fun. Oh my goodness, I wish I had known that this is so much fun to make this bread. I must say, it takes some elbow grease, I'm not gonna lie about it, but it's fun. It's fun. I was sweating. It was a very hot day too. There we go. Enjoy. Feel that.